To install the Eclipse, simply follow these steps. Place the Eclipse onto the vehicle seat and select its fully reclined position. Extend the seat belt, feed it through the back of the seat and plug into the buckle. Make sure the belt is correctly inserted through the lap guides and the diagonal seat belt is correctly placed in the diagonal seatbelt guide, as shown here. Apply some weight to the seat. Pull the belt tight, feeding the slack through the diagonal seatbelt guide. Finally, check the installation is correct by holding the harness and making sure it is firm and secure. When in use, place your child's arms through the shoulder straps and bring the two buckle tongues together so that they interlock. Fasten the two buckle tongues firmly into the buckle until you hear a click. Adjust the shoulder straps, ensuring that there are no twists, and pull the harness tight with the adjuster strap. The harness should be tightened enough so that you can still get 2 fingers underneath. This will ensure your child is comfortable and secure. Adjust padding if necessary.